The National Weather Service has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Lafayette County, southeastern Iowa County, until 7 p.m. At 6:11 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Mineral Point, moving southeast at 20 miles an hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Mineral Point, Blanchardville, Linden, Waldwick, Fayette, Lemont, Hollandale, Yellowstone Lake State Park, Calamine, and Jonesdale. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.